4th grade. We're just going to do a review here. I got your homework back. You handed it in, the blue page. This is May 8th, so I don't know what packet that is. Anyways, I was looking at it, and we're having some issues with the area of a triangle. So I'm going to send out a review sheet for you to do, and it's to review this. Now, some of you just nailed it fine and dandy like sour candy. The other people are kind of forgetting something. When we're talking about area, there's two rules you have to know. Area equals the base times the height for your rectangles, for your squares. But if you are doing a triangle, you have to take this formula, just like normal, base times height, and then you have to take your answer and halve it, or multiply it, times 1/2. So it's really, a lot of times you're going to hear it like this: 1/2, parenthesis, base times height. A lot of people are just finding the base times the height. They're not finding half of it. Remember, a triangle is half of a square or half of a rectangle most of the time. So you got to think, half of it, half of the base times the height. So with that in mind, let's try a little problem here. Let's say here's my nice little triangle. And, you know, sometimes they give you the little dotted line. They tell you what the height is. So, area, let's say the base here is 7. And the height is, we'll go 4. So we'll say the base is 7, the height is 4. Here's my height. Sometimes they just give you the dotted line. 7 times 4, I hope you guys know, is 28. Am I done? No! We're doing area of a triangle. We have to take this answer and half of it. So what is half of 28? I hope you guys can figure it out. Be 14. So, again, half of 28 equals 14. If you're unsure how to do these in your head, I know it's a little easy for Mr. White. I'm the teacher. I get it. But just take the answer, 28, if you're not sure how to do this in your head, and divide it by 2. Half is dividing it by 2. So just do a simple long division problem. 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2, 2, subtract 0, drop down to 8. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 0 left over. So if you don't know how to do this in your head, fine. Just do a long division problem like it, okay? Okay? So there's a worksheet on this. So half, so find the base times the height, then half of it when you're doing a triangle. 1/2 base times height. Give it a try. If you didn't get them right, I'm going to send back those pages and tell you to redo it. Okay? So you're not only going to redo the page to rework it, try to get those points back, but then you have a worksheet to do anyways in case you don't feel like redoing it. That's fine, that's your choice. But you have to you have to do this worksheet. If you want to redo it, you can. The one that's coming back, the homework that I'm going to grade, okay? So, I hope it works better. All right, remember, base times height, half of it. All right, good luck.